Hi guys, I'm happy to welcome you all to Trading DNA. In this video, we are going to see about the hottest topic that is going on in market. I hope you might have heard this. There's the possibility of extending the trading hours in Indian market. Some may get benefited and some may get affected. Let us see that in detail. Before knowing about the extended trading hours, it is mandatory to know about existing trading hours. Currently in India, the market functions from 9 am to 4 pm. We can classify them into three parts. One is 9 am to 9:08 am, which is called as pre-market session, and the normal trading hours, that is 9:15 am to 3:30 pm, and post-market session, that is 3:40 pm to 4 pm. This is what we are following at present. But NSE is planning to extend the marketing hours, which is being followed by many other countries and many other markets. Last week, the CEO of National Stock Exchange, Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan, gave an interesting update about extending the existing market times in India, in which he said that NSE is ready to extend the trading hours and it is waiting the response of SEBI. And now SEBI has approved the idea of NSE of extending the market hours. He also said that SEBI has given approval for their idea and NSE are currently working and discussing with their employees about extending the market hours. We can expect the official statement from them at any point. If they implement this, then the updated market timing will be 9 am to 5 pm for equities and 9 am to 11:55 pm for derivatives. This has its own advantages and disadvantages. Basically, what happens when expanding the trading hours, there will be more money circulated, there will be more volume, and there will be very much movement you can expect in the market. And also, US market will make some direct impact on our market. Why? Because US market opens at 7 pm Indian Standard Time. There will be many news and updates coming before opening of the US market. So each and every single news from US market will directly impact our derivatives market, which is functioning till 11:55 pm. At existing market hours, there will be very much gap up and gap down on the next day because of the technical analysis doesn't seems to work perfect at times. But once this extended trading hours is implemented, there will not be that much gap up or gap down. Hence, you can expect the technical analysis to be work fine. So as a direct impact of extending this trading hours, brokers, governments and exchanges will be very much happy, because brokers will get lot of brokerages, government will get lot of taxes, and exchanges will get lot of revenue. But traders, there will be a question mark. Why? Because, so here is an interesting survey by SEBI. 89% of traders lose their money in the financial year 2022 and only 10 to 11% of people are succeeding in trading. We have already spoken much why people are losing money in trading, because of a lack of risk management and the emotional decisions they take. Now, if the trading hours are extended, there will be more traders coming into the market, more fund will be circulated and more emotions will be played and more losers, maybe more than that. And it purely depends on what type of trader you are and what system you are having and what kind of plans you stick on to. And there is an advantage for office goers who can able to trade after completing their office works. And speaking about the serious disadvantages, brokers has to increase their cost of operation, because there is the compulsion that their employees should start work at 9 am till 11:55 pm. So this will be the challenges facing by them. And for traders, there could be the possibilities of health concern. So regular traders know this. With this existing trading hours, people will eat breakfast before 9 am and they'll sit into trading and they continue trading till evening. After 3:30 only, most of the people are having their lunch. But what if the time is extended till 11:55 pm? If he is holding the position to the next day, then there won't be a problem. But for a serious intraday trader, this could be the challenging one. Let us summarize the impacts of this extended trading hours. There won't be that much gap up or gap down in the stocks, because of that technical analysis will work fine and the volatility of the market will be huge. Because of that, brokers will able to get high brokerage charges and exchanges can have great revenues and government can charge more taxes from traders. Office going people can able to trade now once they complete their office work. According to SEBI, 90% of traders are losing money as of now. With this extended trading hours, there are chances of more than 90% of people can lose the money than they are losing now. There will be huge cost of operation for brokers and there will be some health concerns for the people who sit in front of system and keeps on trading throughout the entire day. We cannot conclude by saying extended trading hours will have only advantages or it has only disadvantages. It has its both advantages and disadvantages, but it purely depends on what type of people that you are participating in the market. If you are a trader, there are some disadvantages to you, but if you are an investor, there could be some advantages comparing to the disadvantages. So it depends on what type of trader you are. So guys, please comment down in which way this extended trading hours will benefit you or in which way this extended trading hours will affect you. And if you are losing your money in trading, we have made a separate video on top common trading mistakes and its solutions. And we also made a separate video on investment mistakes also. I will give the link of that videos in the description and comment section. You can check out that videos too. And if you find this video helpful, consider sharing this video with your trader friends and family members. See you all in another video. Until then, take care. Bye.